Hi, welcome to IT 222. This used to be ITC 224, but the numbers have changed for everything. Ignore the mess behind me. We're cleaning out the garage and a lot of things needed temporary storage. I'm going to switch to the screen anyway so you can see the syllabus and other materials. Alright, so here is the syllabus. Oops. Here is the syllabus. ITT 222, database programming is what it's called, or developing database solutions. I think that might actually be the title. It's for 5 credits. It's going to be all online this summer. This will be the first time I've ever taught this all online, but I think we'll do all right. Prerequisites are IT 121 and 221. That's basically, because you probably don't recognize those, that's the ITC 220, the Introduction to Database, and the 221 is going to be the SQL class, because it would be good to have some SQL. Okay, so we're going to do a lot of importing complex data. We're going to create reports, and we're going to do that with Tableau, which I'll talk about in a moment. And we're going to develop business intelligence solutions. I didn't change the numbers here. I should do that. There's the ADA. If you have any disabilities, please let me know. We'll talk about that. I'm Steve Conger. I think all of you know me. For Office, I don't think I'll be on campus at all this summer. I'm not even sure they're opening campus. So email me any questions and I'll get back as soon as possible. And if needed, I will arrange a Zoom meeting. And I will say that I hate doing those, but I will if you need it. The office hours are basically all the time. As I said, I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you need to meet me or talk to me at a certain time, let me know. There's my email. My website isn't particularly relevant at this time, but it's still there. Again, what we're going to do is we're going to import complex data. We're going to create a variety of reports. We're going to do a simple business intelligence. We're going to look into some technologies and processes and troubleshooting, which is part of everything. I'm going to provide documents and videos, and Canvas discussion areas can be used. So if you look, one of the things that I would really encourage through this summer, because it worked pretty well before, is to use the discussion area. And in here you can ask questions and other people can answer it. I can answer it. I will monitor the discussions. The discussion area can be really valuable when you're online. Let's go back to the syllabus. I don't think there's a lot more here. No textbook. We'll just do it with videos and documents and etc. So all of the assignments are posted on Canvas, and there are 2 exams. Right now the final exam is empty, but I will finish it pretty soon. The exams are multiple choice, 3 times through, open book or open web. They're not meant to be difficult. They're just meant to reinforce the concepts. There's a bunch of additional information that is probably worth looking into, and then there are the assignments. So let's take a look. I'm going to look at the assignments by looking at the modules. This is actually what your home page would be. And there's some things here like there's some setup overview. There's a YouTube video for that. And then there's a Postgres and PG admin PDF installation. And there's also a setting up the databases PDF. So you have the video, and then you have these 2 documents. There's a couple of general things about Canvas. The first things that we're going to do are we're going to export JSON and XML. We're going to import and export CSVs. And there are videos and pages for these 2 assignments. So we're going to import and export. These are really useful. If you're ever going to do any data analysis, you basically have to be able to export it either as JSON or as a CSV. Then we're going to do Tableau, and there'll be 3 different Tableau assignments. And I have 3 videos for those. And then we're going to do the data warehouse. The data warehouse is pretty complicated, so it's going to be kind of a walkthrough where you follow what I do. And I have some links and tutorials for those. I have a general video, and I have a page that gives you the SQL to populate them. And down below is the midterm and the final. So the videos are not in Canvas properly. They're YouTubes, and they're in a playlist, right? So these are the videos that we have so far. I'm also going to add a video every single week, in which I call a check-in video, which I tell you what is coming up that week, where you should be, any kinds of issues that you need to be aware of. I will do those they'll be out every Sunday or Monday. All right. For the software that we're using, we are going to use PostgreSQL. Most of you already have it. If you don't, you can get it here. Just download it and install it. And again, there are documents to help you do that if you need that. And then there's Tableau. Tableau will run on Macs and it will run on Windows. Don't do this, right? Do this. Student or teacher get a 1-year free license. Learn more. With the student or teacher thing, you get a whole year of the enterprise level Tableau. So it gives you all the features for free. This will only give you for a few days. This gives you a whole year of doing it. So that's what I would do. I'm going to check. I think I have one of the videos downloading and installing. If not, I will make a video, but it isn't hard to install. So those are the 2 softwares we're going to use, Postgres and Tableau. Postgres for the data and Tableau for the modeling. All right, I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I need to cover here. I think that's it for my first introduction. So, take care. We'll get through this summer just fine. And let's see if we can make it fun. The Tableau is kind of fun. I think you'll enjoy it. All right, take care. Stay well. I just